Welcome to Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lectures, I have discussed time and work, time and distance, and problems on trains. In this video, I am going to discuss about pipes and cisterns aptitude concept. This is similar to time and work. Before going to problem, let me give you some important points. Okay. Point number 1. As we consider in time and work, volume of the cistern or tank is 1 unit. Let us assume that volume of the cistern is 1 unit. Second one is inlet pipe and outlet pipe. Inlet pipe fills the tank and outlet pipe empties the tank. Third one, if a pipe take m number of hours to fill or empty the tank, either to fill or empty the tank, if a pipe takes m number of hours, then the part of the tank that can be filled in 1 hour is 1 by m units. The part of the tank that can be filled or emptied by the pipe in 1 hour is 1 by m units. Suppose we have two pipes P1 and P2, and time taken by pipe P1 to fill or empty the tank is m number of hours, and time taken by P2 to fill or empty the tank is n number of hours. If both the pipes opened simultaneously, or that means if both opened at same time, if both the pipes P1 and P2 opened at same time, that is simultaneously, then the part of the tank that can be filled or emptied by both the pipes in 1 hour time can be given as 1 by m plus 1 by n. Okay, part of the tank that can be either filled or emptied by both the pipes when they are opened simultaneously is 1 by m plus 1 by n. And final point is time taken by the pipes either to fill or empty the tank is mn by m plus n. Okay, conditions are both the pipes should open at the same time and both the pipes should perform same work, that is either filling the tank or emptying the tank. Okay, for that case these two formulas are applicable. Now let us solve one example problem on this. Okay, the question is, if a pipe can fill a tank in 2 hours and another pipe in 4 hours, then the part of the tank that can be filled in 1 hour, and what is the time taken to fill the tank if both are opened at the same time. Conditions are satisfied, both are doing same work, that is filling the tank, and both are opened at the same time. So let us solve A. What is the part of the tank that can be filled in 1 hour? So first one here, m is 2 hours and n is 4 hours. Therefore in 1 hour 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4 unit. Very simple, you can answer this within 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay. Second one, B. What is the time taken to fill the tank? T equal to mn by m plus n. What is m? 2 into what is n? 4 by 2 plus 4, that is 8 by 6, 4 by 3 hours. So this is very simple topic. Okay. If you understand the question, you can easily solve. So this is our today's video. Hope you like it. And in next video, I am going to discuss what happens if one of the pipe is emptying the tank and whereas another one is filling the tank. That is some different case from this. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn.